Hello everyone. So if you are preparing for IT companies or dreaming of joining Tata consultancy service, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. I recently cracked the TCS NQT exam and received a prime offer from the TCS as a system engineer. In this video, I will share the most important coding questions that are frequently asked in the advanced coding section of the TCS NQT exam. Like many of the students struggle in the coding round, but if you have practiced the questions I am going to discuss in this video, trust me, your chances of clearing the exam will increase a lot. So make sure you watch this video till the end because I will also tell you the most important topics that you should focus on before the exam. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Let's talk about some basic coding questions. These are the questions that almost every company asks, including TCS. The first question is reverse a string. This is a very simple question, and this question tests your understanding of loops and string manipulation, called the two-pointer approach. Next is check for palindrome, like two strings are palindrome of each other or not, or numbers are palindrome of each other or not. Basic question. This is the very fundamental or basic question. Find the maximum element in an array. Simple but very common question. Some of the important coding questions like count the number of vowels in a string, sum of digits of a number, which test your basic logic. Next is Fibonacci number, where you generate nth Fibonacci term. Like everyone know what is Fibonacci. You should also know how to print all the prime numbers up to n, which test number logic. Common questions like remove duplicates from a string. Let's see. This question is very important. Remove duplicate from a string. This is the coding question which is asked in my interview. They ask remove duplicates from a string without using STL. STL called standard template library. I use C++, so they ask standard template library. Without using standard template library, you have to remove duplicate from a string. Another coding questions like second largest element in an array. Check if two strings are anagram of each other. Write a program for leap year. Write a program to find out the GCD of numbers. So if you master these problems, your basic coding foundation becomes strong. Now let's talk about some array problems which are extremely important for the TCS. In the first question, advanced coding section, like they mainly ask array or string question in the first basic question in the TCS NQT exam. The first important question is contains duplicate, where you check whether an array contains duplicate values or not. This is the question. By the help of the hash set, we can solve this question, contains duplicate. Kadane algorithm, most important, which is one of the most important problem. Kadane algorithm. It is used to find out the maximum subarray sum. By the help of the Kadane algorithm, we can find out the maximum subarray sum. Third question is subarray with zero sum, two sum, triplet sum, best time to buy and sell stock. This is the important and lead code question. Find out the best time to find out to buy and sell the stock. Next is find the missing number in an array. Important one. General mathematics question. By the help of the formula, we can find out the missing number in an array. Rotate array by k position. Majority element in an array. Longest subarray with given sum. Important one. So this problem helps you to improve your problem solving ability and logical thinking. Next is string important questions. Like these are the string questions, string based question, which is generally very common in the TCS coding round. Palindrome checking, anagram checking, count vowel in a string, convert lowercase to uppercase to lowercase, basic ones. Longest common prefix, important one. Longest common prefix is the important question in TCS point of view. Remove spaces from a given string, encrypt the string, conversion of a string to an integer. And the most important question in this slide is longest substring without repeating character. Important one, which test your advanced string logic. This question is test your advanced string logic, called longest substring without repeating characters. So if you practice this question, you will become very comfortable with the string manipulation problem. Next is matrix important questions. So in my TCS NQT, when I am going to give the TCS NQT exam, the second question is called the matrix question. and very hard question, matrix question. So these are the questions I prepared during my TCS preparation. Find the highest and smallest element in a 2D matrix, matrix transpose, matrix multiplication, basic one, print diagonal element of matrix, sum of diagonal element, valid Sudoku and spiral matrix, important one. These are the lead code questions. Valid Sudoku and spiral matrix. Rotate matrix by 90 degree, set matrix zeros. These are all are called the lead code questions. You can tap the link and going to the lead code and solve the question and practice it. So if you master these matrix problems, you will be able to handle most matrix based coding questions generally asked in TCS second question in the advanced coding section. So if you seriously practice these questions, you will be well prepared for the coding round. And I have also added practice links for all these questions in the description. So make sure you check them out. If this video helped you in your TCS preparation, then please like the video, comment TCS so I know you are preparing, and subscribe to the channel for more placement preparation videos. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching and all the very best for your TCS NQT preparation.